Most people think that time travel is impossible, but believe it or not, there's no law of physics preventing time travel. Isaac Newton thought, for example, that time was like an arrow. Once you fired it, it never deviated. Time travel was impossible. Now comes Einstein, who says, wait a minute, time is like a river, old man river, that meanders its way around stars. The new wrinkle in all this is that we now believe that the river of time may have whirlpools. The river of time may fork into two rivers, and the river of time may perhaps be bent like a pretzel. Now, Einstein, of course, had doubts about time travel, but his office mate, Kurt Gödel, perhaps one of the greatest mathematical logicians of the last 1,000 years, was the first one in 1949 to find a solution of Einstein's equation which allowed time travel. If the universe rotates and you were to go around the universe, you would come back before you left. Einstein, of course, was puzzled that a rotating universe would allow for time travel, but he said in his memoirs that he's not worried because the universe does not rotate. The universe expands. Well, since then, we've now discovered literally hundreds of other types of solutions of Einstein's equations which allow for time travel. If you have an infinite cylinder and the cylinder rotates, and you dance around the cylinder like dancing around the maypole, you can also come back before you left and meet your parents before you're born. Another way is to have a wormhole. Take a sheet of paper, draw two dots on it, fold the sheet of paper until the two dots meet, and that's a wormhole. Alice in Wonderland had a wormhole. The looking glass of Alice is a shortcut between 2 points in space and time. Now there's a catch. Using Einstein's equations, you can show that the energy necessary to bend space and time into a pretzel is comparable to an exploding star, a black hole. Energy far beyond anything we can harness on the planet Earth. So maybe in outer space, maybe aliens have harnessed time machines, or maybe your descendants, thousands of years into the future, may have mastered the art of time travel and have harnessed the energy of a star. So one day, if somebody knocks on your door and claims to be your great-great-great-great-great-great-great-granddaughter 1,000 years into the future, don't slam the door, because maybe your descendant got into a time machine to visit her illustrious ancestor.